This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Larry Wingate. Welcome to 7838 Rolling Grove Drive East, a beautifully maintained home nestled in the heart of South Lakeland's desirable Rolling Oak Estates. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and Florida charm. Step inside to discover an open-concept layout featuring a bright and airy living room with vaulted ceilings, dining area, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen is a chef's delight with ample cabinet space, modern appliances, and a cozy breakfast nook overlooking the dining room, outdoor screened patio and pool. The primary suite is a peaceful retreat with a built-in closet, French doors to the screened deck and pool, and an ensuite bath complete with dual vanities, and a walk-in shower. 3 additional bedrooms with plenty of space for guests, family, or a home office. Enjoy Florida living year-round with a spacious screened lanai, perfect for morning coffee or evening dinner. Additional features include a 2-car garage, interior laundry room, tile flooring in main areas, and a newer roof. 2018 HVAC. 2018 The above-ground pool. 2023. Located on a quiet, tree-lined street, just minutes from top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and major highways for an easy commute. Don't miss your opportunity to own this gem in this sought-after Lakeland community. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review